People can work from anywhere. Some are more productive working remotely, while others appreciate in-person collaboration. Hybrid work is here to stay, and workers need technology that they can take with them. Now part of Sharp, Dynabook laptop computers are cutting-edge mobile solutions that help professionals excel where, when, and how they want. The newest Dynabook portfolio includes laptops designed for those who demand the thinnest, lightest, and ultimate in mobility. Alongside laptops that are built to be productive workhorses, Dynabook laptops offer everything a professional user might want for a modern office environment. Dynabook performs rigorous measures to ensure quality and reliability, such as highly accelerated life testing and even military-grade testing to demonstrate product strength and durability. Put it all together, and you can rest assured, when you turn to Dynabook, you're getting a laptop you can count on day after day. Working wherever you can means staying productive. Dynabook offers a range of warranty options, including industry-leading standard protection and world-class support to reduce potential downtime and keep you working at top efficiency. Elevate your ideas by experiencing the Dynabook difference and work simply smarter.